Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we're bringing you this beautiful HSV Walkinshaw build 587. This car has done 95,000 kilometres from new. It has had paint on the outside only. Other than that, it's actually engine bay as well, and it has logbooks, all ownership history. Absolutely beautiful car. So fully documented, lots of magazines and all the receipts, huge receipt folders. So yeah, very, very nice car. As I said, 95,000 kilometres. I'll get the, open the bonnet. It's very nice. It's got struts, gas struts, so stays up without having to use the little post. But there you go, look at those beautiful twin throttle bodies. Just an awesome car. Look at that. Beautiful condition. We'll get it started and then you can have a listen to how good this thing sounds. The front skirt is off the car, but that is supplied with the car over there. So yeah, everything's with the car. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my God. Listen to that. That's beautiful. This is really the car for the Holden collector, isn't it? You know, you got to have one of these. They are just so standout car. Bathurst winning with Larry Perkins. Amazing. Look at that. Proudly bring this one to you. So there's heaps of photos on the website. And if you would like to know anything more about it, please give Mike Selby a phone call. But yeah, all the numbers, all the photos, everything's on the website. It's a matching number car, T5 gearbox, that beautiful twin throttle body 5 litre V8, and that wonderful burble. Can't beat it. SS Group A. Wonderful. Thank you for watching Australian Muscle Car TV. Have a look inside this beauty. Look at that, beautiful trim. No wear on it. Magic. 95,552 is the mileage. 587. 587 out of 750 cars. Door card's beautiful. Very nice. Look at those pockets, perfect. This car's got quite a sophisticated alarm setup, so yeah, nobody's going to steal this baby. Things looking good. Here we go, 587. Plates, and I've got photos on the website of the engine number. Very hard to get, but I got in there. And there you've got your HSV build number as well. 1988. Thank you for watching.